everybody, it's me, Camila Rose. Today we are here because we have to catch up. I have so many budgets. We're going all the way back to October with this first one. To kind of go through, clean up, get together, find all the things and set it straight and get it done so that I can pull cash, do cash stuffing, update all of my accounts, all of that fun stuff. So I hope you've been watching. I've been making Vlogmas videos. I'm going to do Vlogmas this year and it's been a lot of fun. So those are up also on the channel already. But if you enjoy videos about designing a life you love, go ahead and hit that subscribe button and I will see you all in just a second. Okay, I'm actually going to leave both of these pages open because they're what I need to be able to actually see what's going on. Okay, so as you can see, this is my budget that I have written down. This is where I took notes and cleaned it up because it was such a mess and I couldn't see what was happening. So there's that. Let me redo this map because I'm looking at it now and it looks just a tad bit different than the map that I had in my little handy dandy notebook. Because this one had CoServe as 0 or as 100. Okay, I just took the whole 100 out. That works. All right, I just want to make sure my stuff is right. Okay, so this one should be 300, 100, 70.98, 35, 52, 35, 4, 50, 200, 130. Electricity ended up being 25 and then 548. Okay, 80, 9, 40, 40, and then 40. Okay, now I'm gonna go over and actually do, so as you can see from way back here, we had envelopes, 300. The actual is 300. I do this like 3 or 4 times. I'm always checking to make sure I actually have the right amount on there. CoServe, we're going to go ahead and do that 100. I don't know if that's actually right or not, but that's what I'm putting on there because we just need to go ahead and get done with that. 35, 35 for lawn. That was the last because this is from October, the 3rd paycheck. So this is from ages ago. Oh, you know what? So yeah, let me go ahead and take that 100 out of there. Okay, Mustang, that's water. We did 52. We did 35 for HOA. We did 400 for my birthday. Visa 250. It should actually be 250. Just in case was 130. We took for electricity, we had $25. Then we had another $5.48 before that account closed out. Internet was 0 because nothing came out for internet. School loans was 40. We took out the 40. We took out the 40 for December just now. So let's add these up. Let's add these up and see. Make sure it's right. So here, let's add up the first ones. So the 300, the 100, 71, 35, 52, 35, oopsie. Okay, 400, 250, 130, 180, 40, 40, 40, 1,600. So that's right, 1,673. Okay, let's see how much we had left over. 300 plus 100 plus $70.98. There we go. Plus 35 plus 52 plus 35 plus 400 plus 250 plus 130 plus 25 plus $5.48 plus, ooh, I don't know if that makes a difference or not, but let me just make sure that's right. Okay. plus 40 plus 40 plus 40. So 1,523.46. And check that here real quick. Of course, I don't actually have that written down anywhere. Well, what we need to do is let me check that. Okay, so 300, 179, 35, 52, 35, 400, 250, 130, 25, 5, 40, 40, 40. Okay. So then we need to take the 1673 minus 1523.46. That leaves us with $149.54. All right, so now we have, I will turn this over. Oh, well, we can use this one. Because this was supposed to actually go here for additional payments, but it ended up being so big. We'll just use this one up here. I'm honestly not sure how I want to divide this out. I guess for sure we'll do debt, cushion. What other categories do I have on here? I think I'll do entertainment. Well, yeah, I'll do entertainment. Because what I really want to do is I want a third to go to cushion. Of the 140 that's left over, I want 1/3 to go to cushion. So I'll write that here because I can't. 1/3 cushion, because I have a lot of money that'll be left over from a lot of these. 1/3 to go to additional payments. And then 1/3. Actually, let's do 1/3 to go to cushion, and then 2/3 to go to additional payments. How about we do that? And then out of additional payments, I'll put more into my entertainment fund because I got stuffs coming up and I still need to pay for that. So let's do that then. So if we take 149 times 0.33, let's see what that gets us, because that should get us our 1/3. Okay, so 149 for that. Okay, times 0.33 is basically $50. So I'm going to take $50 and leave that for cushion. So then that leaves us with 99. So we have 99 left over for this. And I got to get that. So I'm going to take the cushion off since we're already leaving some of that there. And we're going to do, oh, I have all these. So let's see, we'll do the Visa debt. We'll do student loans. We'll do entertainment. We'll do, because I have like 5,000 savings now. Let's do business, technology, and then we want to do security savings, emergency savings, car savings, and house savings. I just have to figure out how much I want to go where. Let's do 25% for Visa, 25% for student loans. That leaves us with 50% left over to play with. Maybe I should do 20 and 20. Let's do 20. 20 and 20. So that leaves us with 60%. So if we do, how many do we have left? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Oof, we still have 7. Let's do 5%. 5%. So that's 10%. So that puts us at 50. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Right? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Great. So 10%, 10%, 10%, 10%, and 10%. Okay, perfect. Okay. So 20%, we're gonna go ahead and just leave. I mean, it's pretty easy. So it'll be $20 for debt for Visa, $20 for student loans, $10 for entertainment, $5 for business, $5 for tech, $10 for securities, $10 for emergencies, $10 for car, and $10 for house. And let's add that together. 20, 40, 50, 55, 60, 65. Oh, wait. 20, 40, 50, 55, 60, 70, 80, 90, 100. Total is 100. Oh, we need to do 9. One of these needs to be $9. Let's make this one $9. So total is 99. Leftover is 0. Closed out. Perfect. Okay. So I need to pull out. I need to make a note. Why I don't have any of mine? Oh, I do. Okay, perfect. Okay. I need to make a note to, okay, this is October paycheck 3. I need to, so this will be a payment. Student loans will be a payment. Entertainment will be a transfer. Business needs to be pulled out. So $5. Business. Technology needs to be pulled out. $5 for tech. Security, savings, all of these. I'm still deciding if I just want to pull them actually pull them out or transfer them into a high yield savings. I think what I'll end up doing is if it's a closeout. So let me make a note. Closeout, just transfer to high yield. No. Close out, pull out. Close out, pull out. So I need to pull out 10, 10, 10, 10 for security, for emergency, for car, for house. And then I'll just save all those till the end of the year because I won't probably have too much of them. And then I'll just do one big deposit into my high yield savings account at the end. So, woohoo, we finally did it. And the total then needs to be 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. $50 that I need to pull out from checking. Close out. Okay, awesome. I am so happy to have that done. That is way back in October. We are finally making a move, y'all. So now we're going to move on and do November paycheck 1 closeout in the next video. So I will see y'all in another one. I hope you enjoyed watching. Let me know if you're still backed up and closing out old things or if you're all caught up to your budget. I'll see y'all later. Y'all have a good one. Bye-bye.